Are you in the midst of a home improvement project in New Iberia, Louisiana, and finding yourself overwhelmed by accumulating waste? Look no further than LA Waste Solutions, your trusted source for reliable and efficient dumpster rental in New Iberia, Louisiana. LA Waste Solutions understands that every project is unique. That's why we offer a wide range of dumpster sizes, perfectly accommodating your project's needs, whether tackling a minor yard cleanup or a large-scale construction renovation. At LA Waste Solutions, responsible waste disposal is our top priority. We ensure that all collected materials are processed and recycled whenever possible, positively impacting the environment. Our dedicated customer service team will answer any questions and guide you through the rental process. Our user-friendly online booking system lets you reserve your dumpster rental quickly and conveniently, ensuring a seamless start to your waste disposal process. Don't let waste disposal become a burden on your project. Contact LA Waste Solutions today at 337-888-4951 or visit our website at www.lawastesolutions.com. Dumpster Rental New Iberia, LA, to experience hassle-free dumpster rental. LA Waste Solutions, your partner in effective and stress-free waste removal.